Go.
Hi, I'm Christopher Mitchell, aka Kerr Martian, and I'm going to tell you about some of the things we were showing off at World Maker Faire 2014 today. As you can see, we start with our giant calculator because we got to get people interested. And on this side of the table, we have a number of educational displays. So Nathaniel, who is helpfully taking our video, is going to show you what we have over here.
Why me?
Now you're going to walk around and come over this display. Okay, I'm a little less professional than this guy. I'm Tim Geekboy 101 Keller over here. This is our pretty much us display. Tells us about us. Now he can go again because he's better at this than I am.
I just want to point out that Tim's username is actually Geekboy 1011.
I said that.
You said 101.
I thought I said 1011.
You did say 101.
Anyway, carry on. I just wanted to interject. Okay. I will cut this later, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, we're here. We have a networking demo that uses the CalcNet 2.2 networking protocol. It's the Flourish demo written by Kerr Martian over there. And it's a bunch of calculators linked together showing off the serial communications between the 4 calculators here. And the balls are bouncing back and forth showing pretty much that's what it's showing. It's showing they're all communicating. I'll let you do your books later.
Okay. So, let me put this back over here. We have a general board here that talks about what we're doing. We call the booth Hacking with Graphing Calculators, but we want to make sure people know that when we say hacking, we mean making calculators do more than what they were designed to do. So by hacking, we want to show people that graphing calculators are pocket computers, that they're a great platform to learn to program on, and that you can do pretty much anything you can imagine with a graphing calculator. To that end, I've published actually 2 books that we're showing off here as an example of resources that are available. Using the TI-83 Plus, TI-84 Plus teaches how to do math and science tasks with a graphing calculator in case people are confused. And we also published a book on programming the TI-83 Plus and TI-84 Plus, which talks about how you can get started with TI Basic, writing math and science programs, games, and even moving on to working with DIY electronics and C80 assembly language. We also have a display here for showing calculators connected to the internet, which Tim will tell you about.
These are an extension of the CalcNet 2.2 or CN2 protocol we talked about earlier. These calculators are hooked up to an Arduino, which is acting as a bridge to connect these calculators to the internet. And by doing this, we're able to do things like go on IRC, which is what this calculator is currently doing. This one has a guestbook demo, but it's not really working. We can view web pages in real time, or we can pull data off the internet using a predefined set of code for server hub. We can also link calculators together to play games. It's tanks, it's fun, and it's a cool technological feat, and it's nice just to see that it actually works.
Yes.
So let's head over to the other side of the table and see some of the more fun displays that we have this year. So let's first show off Nathaniel Van Diepen Eames' wooden calculator. Actually, I'm going to take my phone from him so he can talk about this awesome wooden calculator.
Well, I beat out everybody else on the auction for this. It was made by Caleb. I always forget his last name.
Hansberry.
So he took off, from what I understand, he took off all the case and he put all the guts of the calculator into this one case that he designed and put all the buttons in and made sure it all worked. I don't know if you can see it all that well, but it does actually work.
And Patrick Davidson set the Tetris high score on that device himself.
Yeah. So yeah, it's probably going to be going up for a contest prize soon on Omnimaga, but we'll see when that actually happens.
Thomas, would you like to tell us about any of the displays here?
Sure. So this is our audio display. We're running 2 different demos here. One, we are playing floppy tunes, the invention of Christopher Mitchell, where we control the stepper motor of the floppy drive to a serial port of this TI-84 Plus Silver Edition to play music. We also are able to play sound out to these speakers using pulse width modulation. And like so. Is this? And over here, we have our game station. We have a Casio Prism running Raptor. We have an 84 Plus C Silver Edition running TI Boy CSE with a Pokemon Red version ROM. We have Jezball running on this other TI 84 Plus C Silver Edition. And we have a selection of classic and modern basic and 80 assembly language games deployed on this 84 Plus Silver Edition. And we have this 84 Plus Silver Edition, which is the face of both Justified and Webity.
So that's what we're showing off at World Maker Faire 2014 this year. We're hoping to get a lot of students, teachers, and parents interested in their kids learning graphing calculator programming as a gateway to computer programming, and just to show off some of the cool stuff we've been doing in the community. Hope we see you around.